exhaust check. No good! We have real straight pipe. It is resonate, not muffler. No cat, no muffler. Yucky. Not tell me his muffler. His noise expander. This is muffler. See? It have little baffle hole. Ah, yes, see? Little hole. Let's try. Brah! Brah! It work. His muffler. Always clean surface. Device for measuring. I show. Numbers. 295. And I cut 285 extra. 2 halves slip over. Step. Eyeball. Yeah. There. Yeah. Good. Have eyeballs. Yeah. Mark. We have 1 line. There. Yeah. Make another line. Move up. Move up. Move up 10 mil. Arrow. X. Arrow. Good. Now, wait for health. Let's get grinder and then cut. Oh, bad luck. Refresh. Safety first. Ah! Ah! Now we cut. Ah! Oh! Once more room. Still good blade. Come on! Oh! I miss a little more. Jiggle! They like to see me wiggle jiggle my exhaust. This is all I had. You listen. Listen. There's water! Car was in small flood the other day. I wiggle more. Victory is mine! Yeah! Lot of twist and wiggle, no fun. Hefty. Fast. Now to try weld straight. Oh fuck, is turned down so much. Cannot do one hand. Fuck. One piece is tacked. Oh, tacked. We have brake. It's been good brake. Lot of spaghetti, lot of rum. We have exhaust held. I tack. I take out. Finish weld. Sure, see. Held up high. You get more tack. Yeah, more tack. And then you're good. Sort of level, I think. Okay, exhaust tacked. Good. Now undo weld out of car, much easier. On big bench, yeah. Tiny bench. Test, listen. Way less noise is better. Still shit, but better. Chill. Exhaust system out. Is good, I show. Furnish bolts, no cat. Muffler, whole reason for job. And whole exhaust. Time to weld. Time to weld. Put back. Test. Okay, I am done. I can't really see helmet fuck up. Welder really shit. Welder really shit. I self-taught on TIG. Still learning. Still first month apprentice. Yeah. Back under. Yeah. Yes. Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. We have an exhaust. Yeah. Present. Yeah. Success. Exhaust on. Muffler install. It will do. Every time I get more that way, I move, I drop, we listen. 18 by 10, spacer, felony form. Oh, shit, out of gear. Okay, let's see. Less fart. Better. Add another muff. Hope you enjoy. First drive impression. Much quieter, we like. Just don't, serious, you don't understand how loud it was. Not bad at all. Entertain. Bye-bye, merry holiday. subscribe. Yeah.